Typography Logomark. Unlike a word mark or logo type, which features the brand's name in stylized text, a logomark is a visual, image-based symbol and a logo that represents a brand without relying on text. It's often a custom letter enhanced by shape and color to convey a specific vibe. Also aligns with the 2024 geometric shapes trend, which simplifies logo mark elements to create distinctive, universal shapes. Geometric shapes and abstract forms. There is no doubt that geometric shapes and abstract logos have become part of the future of futuristic, tech-driven branding. The combination of these elements conveys a sense of simplicity, clarity, and modernity. A geometric shape is easy to recognize on both physical and digital screens, whereas fluid and abstract shapes reflect the fast-paced nature of certain industries, as well as their ever-changing nature due to their fast pace and ever-changing nature. Minimal style, simple logo. Since the advent of new technologies and design styles, minimalism has dominated the industry for quite some time. In the field of social media, prominent brands such as TikTok and Clubhouse have already set the standard. In both cases, a logo that is both distinctive and legible on digital formats, especially on small mobile screens, has the greatest chance of being remembered. Retro-inspired logo design. It is not uncommon to find retro styles emerging with modern twists on fashion runways and web design trends. Consider combining classic serif fonts with avant-garde shapes in your mark logos. Alternatively, logo colors that combine muted pastels with black or unexpected splashes of neon are also acceptable. As a general rule, nostalgic logos can help promote old traditions, reinforce heritage, or evoke positive memories of the good old days. Natural and eco-conscious design. Design is influenced by ecology, taking care of the planet. That's why it's still on the list of 2025 logo trends. By using natural colors and textures, you'll feel closer to nature and more connected to the environment. It's especially important for brands that care about the environment. The finished solution looks like this. There's a lot of nature in logos: leaves, trees, animals, planets. As a result of these elements, the brand expresses its concern for ecology, expressing unity between human and nature.